Okay, MATIC bottom updates. I have a horizontal. I mean, it still could hit down here. So a mashup between this origin line with this key horizontal. That would be around February, which is where I think bottom of Bitcoin and a lot of strong big caps might be. Maybe 10 cents, but to me, that might be a little steep because this has been propped up the whole bear market, very similar to BNB. Like this run up and the sideways shit, even though, you know, technically from here to here is 70, it's like an 80% drop, but structurally it's still near the top. And because it's been able to go sideways-ish within a big range, right? But it's still sideways-ish, just like this was sideways-ish, right? Same deal. This is not going to be my favorite guess. It's still on the table, but I think it's just too steep. I would say that MATIC needs to, so just like Bitcoin and everything else that has actual price history of more than 4 years. So that includes Ethereum, all that stuff, but not things like Solana and all that. I don't even think BNB has enough price history, but, or even this chart, really. No, this is 3.5-ish years. But anyway, so you see how this was the bottom origin line that it's ever touched? In this bear market, even Bitcoin went 4, no, I think it's like 6 down if you count the dotted one. So 1, here, let me do a better arrow. 1, 2, 3, that'd be, honestly, that might be hit. So even Bitcoin, its lowest origin line ever hit. Like, yeah, that held support for like a decade. It's 4 under it. So I think it's at least got to hit a half one down. There's almost no way this isn't going to be hit. I don't even, I would hate to say it's not possible, but it's just so remotely, like it's such a remote number statistically that I don't know why I would ever make an argument that at least this or lower won't be hit. Or why would I ever make the argument that price will stay above this the rest of the bear market? I don't think so. I think this absolutely has to be hit. I think it's more reasonable to assume over time that this will be hit, but with time, it might be close to the same number. So see this number here? Different line, about the same number. So I really think that this doesn't, I wouldn't say that this is bottom until this line, again, it's ascending. I would say this line needs to be hit. So if it hits in February, March, that's 65% down. Yeah, it's got to get into that zone. I don't see any way that it avoids that zone. I don't think it's possible. Because whatever this shit is, this is being propped up, folks. And once the waters, like once the tide goes out, I mean, people are going to be swimming naked on this one. If I could steal a Warren Buffett type of, and manipulate a Warren Buffett quote, but this is going to get washed out. It could be a really fast one though. It could be a great buy. Like, cause since it spent so much time up here, it could be like a wick basis and boom, get right back into that zone. And then you're freaking 200 per 3x up. Like, it could be a really fast one. Could be. I'm not saying that's my favorite option, and I'm not making that guess, but just a heads up. Could be a very fast one. In case you're snarling at the idea that, there's no way this goes to a quarter. Well, it actually probably will. And I'm probably going to be right. Just like people could not believe me here when all I said was this line or this line's got to be hit. That's all I was saying. I challenge you to go look that up. Go to late May, early June of 2021. Look up my MATIC videos. And I made a follow-up because I saw the comments were not nice. And I realized, hey, I know you noobs just don't get it. So I'm going to try a second time to convince you. I challenge you to go do that, but that's MATIC for you.